In this video, I'll show you how to use an open translator using source code that's available on GitHub, together with the Microsoft Bot framework to control a Nest Thermostat using the Nest API. To test this out, I have a Nest Thermostat connected to a 24-volt transformer with some LEDs wired up to show us what the Nest is doing. Currently, it's cooling my house to 73 degrees. The LED on the left means the fan is on. The LED in the middle is the air conditioner, and the heater is off, as expected. First, we need a nice language model created with the LUIS understanding service for controlling the thermostat. So here we see the language model with utterances that control the thermostat. Simple things like setting the thermostat, set my thermostat to something, cool my house down, it's freezing in here, and so on. Turning off the thermostat, get the current settings. So now we have a nice language model that's trained that we can send phrases to. We can actually test that out right here. Turn off the thermostat. Let's see what it does. And we get this nice JSON blob back that gives us the intent. In this case, turn off the thermostat is the intent. And we now can program this in the Bot framework. Let's wire this up using Node.js. The Bot Builder framework comes with a Node.js module, as does the Nest translator from the OpenT2T website, and I'm able to plug in the LUIS language model that I just showed you into the Bot Builder framework. The Nest translator uses the Firebase API to talk to the Nest developer web service and is able to provide a simple implementation of a common schema for turning on and off the thermostat, for getting the ambient temperature, setting the various settings on the thermostat. And so now all I have to do is map the intents coming back from LUIS. Those come back in a dialog function to, for example, set the thermostat and turn off the thermostat, where I can use the OpenT2T translator, find out what mode it's in, and set the mode. Uses JavaScript promises, as well as getting the current temperature, getting the thermostat settings, and so on and so forth. So let's try this out. Press F5 to run the application. See what it's doing with the debug console. It's listening. And the Bot framework provides a handy emulator that allows you to send requests to that application. And let's try and turn off the air conditioning. There we go. Let's try another one. Get the current temperature in my house. In this case, it's just querying the thermostat, so there's no visible action there. Let's turn it back on. Set the thermostat to 72. Okay, home is now being cooled. Pretty cool. So what did we just see? We used the Bot framework to talk to LUIS to get a nice thermostat language model. We use an OpenT2T translator to talk to the Nest thermostat over the Nest API. And we can now publish this bot on the web and make it accessible from anywhere in the world if we want to, or we can just keep it local and run it here at home.